Good morning, Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. And today I'm going to show you a quick tip about using ink on your embossing folders to get a whole new look from them. So you can see the background of this card looks like this, which is just really cool. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You will need an embossing folder, a Big Shot, an ink pad, and of course some cardstock. I've chosen to use the lace embossing folder and Crumb Cake ink, which creates just a really cool vintage look, I think. So your first step is you're going to open up your embossing folder and open up your ink pad. Now when you look at your embossing folder, you want to pay attention. You'll see that there are two different sides. So one side has a logo on it, a Stampin' Up logo, and the other side does not. And even if you're using an embossing folder that's not made by Stampin' Up, it's still going to have a logo on one side and then not a logo on the other side. So the side with the logo is the side that you want to put the ink pad on, put your ink on. So just take your ink pad and rub it all over your embossing folder. And then get your cardstock and put that cardstock onto your folder, just like usual, right? And now you're going to run it through your Big Shot. Up, and there it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that cool? And that's all there is to it. All you need to do to clean this up is just run this under some water in the sink and the ink comes right off. Dry it up and it's as good as new. That's all there is to it. So I'll show you that finished card again. So in addition to the lace embossing folder, I used the Beauty Abounds stamp set for those sentiments. And I used the stitched nested label dies, which are brand new in the new annual catalog. And I used a whole bunch of different die cuts here to fill in these floral bits, so I'll make sure to list those for you. So, isn't that gorgeous? You can do this technique with any color, any embossing folder, and you can just imagine the cool effects that you can create. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for joining me. And please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific you want to learn about, please let me know. This video goes out to Arvin, who asked me how to do this embossing ink technique, so I hope you enjoy it. And remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, and you can also find there more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, my local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting where you can join a weekly card sketch challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code is going to get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual or in-home party. It's a great time to plan a party with the new annual catalog coming on June 4th. So just drop me a line and we'll get going with that. It'll be super fun. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks again for joining me and happy stampin'. Bye.